This pool right here is a job that we did with Ryan Hughes Design Build. It's a firm for Tampa. He has wonderful people that work with him there, and I've done several projects with him. This is one of the very first jobs that we did together. And this pool is known worldwide. It's gotten recognition throughout the world. It's a multiplex pool, has different levels. Everything starts up from the actual spa that starts in the jacuzzi all the way up in the top floor, and then it comes down to different planes. We work with Ryan in putting together a design to work with the architecture of the house, and then we had to be very careful in how we did the space planning because it has so many different bodies of water and levels that we wanted everything to flow from one to the other. It has an enormous amount of 24-karat gold. It has a section where it shows a constellation, and when the sun is just right, or let's say the light of the moon is just right, it shines like it's a constellation. Also, there's an outdoor living area, which has murals on the walls, and it has all these, has a fountain, and everything ties in together. There's a synergy about this job, and everything ties in together and flows together. We're very proud of this one. We love working with Ryan. The pool has won numerous awards and recognition throughout the world, and it's been in all over the magazines. It's a great job.